Now here is a computer-delivered IELTS tutorial from Pi International Education. Highlighting text. In the reading module, you have the option to highlight text while completing the passages to find the answers. Use the mouse to highlight certain information and right-click on the mouse and click on Highlight. Once you do that, you will see that the part of the text that you selected has been highlighted for you. Using the highlighter tool will help you identify and extract the information needed to answer your questions. If you have highlighted too much, you can right-click and press Clear, and the highlighting will be cleared. Find out more about your computer-based IELTS exam at Pi International Education, located conveniently at Dhanmondi, Siddeshwari, Banani, and Uttara.